Hey guys, how to deactivate Facebook account. Thinking about taking a break from Facebook but don't want to delete your account permanently? There's a simple option that lets you deactivate your Facebook account and go completely offline anytime you want. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Stay with me. Open Facebook and click the top 3 lines. And scroll down, click the settings and privacy. And again click the settings. And click the top account center. And then click the personal details. And click the account ownership and control. And then click the deactivation or deletion. And here, click on the account that is deactivating you. This is a 2-step option, one to delete the account and one to deactivate the account. Select the one you want to deactivate, and it will continue. And again click continue. And here you can enter your account password and click continue. And here select the reason why you are deactivating your account and click continue. And again click the continue. And scroll down and click on deactivate my account at the bottom. Your account will be deactivated.